Wowzers, is this a slip-on for the 701? It sure is. Unboxing video. I'm gonna put gloves on. I don't wanna get my new exhaust all dirty. All right, here. Oh wow, here it is. Look how pretty it is. Leo Vince. Wow, you can't even see in there. And there is a DB killer in there. I'm gonna leave that in there though. It's ooh, shiny black exhaust next to ooh, shiny. This weighs a lot more than I thought it would. Yeah, I don't know. I thought it'd be lighter. My exhaust on my 900 is like super light. This thing's pretty heavy. It's only a pound lighter than this thing, so that explains it. Okay, so I watched no videos on how to put this thing on, so I'm assuming it's just take off this piece, take off the seat, and take off the exhaust, and then slip on the other exhaust, right? Slip on. I've never done an exhaust before, so this will be the first time I've ever put on anything like this. God damn it. Yeah. Oh, gonna need to take that off too. Let's see how fast I can do this whole process. As someone who's never done this before, big boy. 10 millimeter. Right here as well. Blah. Yeah, this bolt comes all the way out. This is a clamp, and this is a bolt that goes straight through. Look at that tiny little hole. Ugh. The new dog. Oh, you're still just as heavy. They're both heavy. Let's compare hole sizes. Wait. Look at that. It's a little bigger, and then once you take out the DB killer, it'll be even bigger. But like, I love how thick the end of this exhaust is. I don't love that. I hate that. And this is a nice little tip. Ka-chow. Whoa. Okay, I also realized I opened the box, but I didn't look at any of the parts except for the exhaust. Ah, there's stickers. Oh, comes with a hook. Neat. Comes with a, call it a mid-pipe. Hardware. Nice. There's the spring I'm looking for. Okay, I thought it was gonna be a slip-on. No, it's more stuff. Remove OEM silencer. Done. Loosen the cylinder head exhaust nuts. No. All right. So now that I found the instructions, this changes things because, yep, this little boy right here needs to be loosened. Hopefully, I have that. 45. Oh. All right, so see, there are some instructions like loosen cylinder head, blah, 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 and then loosen torque screw, what does it say? Torque screw, which is right here. It says loosen cylinder head. I don't want to. It'll be fine. Ah, fuck, I really want to turn it on. Okay, maybe we won't. Link pipe on the original header. Take care not to damage the graphite bushing. It should replace OE bushing. I don't see OEM bushing. Like that? Why didn't that look right? Maybe it does. Wait, I'll just put you on like that. Then I'll consult my notes. Original graphite bushing. Was that in the exhaust? Why didn't it come with a bushing? Consulting instructions. Right here it says original. It's not going to focus. Right here it says original graphite bushing, right? And then on this little fitting instructions page, it says check that they're clean. Yes. And then take care not to damage the graphite bushing if supplied, which should replace the OE bushing. Except I don't see a supplied one. Alrighty, we're gonna put this little bobber on. Perfect, just have it on. So what, I take the old bushing out? I can't. Alright, I Googled, and you know what Google told me? Nothing, because there is no videos on the 701. So, however, I was looking at other Leo installs, and none of them had the thing that goes on here. What is it called? The bushing. There was no bushing. So, I guess I just don't have it bushing. Because it says, take care not to damage the graphite bushing if supplied, which should replace. And because it wasn't supplied, then I don't use it? Okay, we'll go with that. It's not sliding on. It's not a slip-on, it's a force-on. Yeah, it says it wants a fucking graphite bushing. I don't have that. So I may be bad, I don't know. This is the graphite bushing out of stock exhaust. And now I'll just put it in here. Because it says it wants a bushing, so I'm gonna give it a bushing. Shit. Don't loosen that up all the way. That was bad. Alright, I'm gonna put bushing in hole. I don't like this either. I don't like this. I don't want to use a used bushing for this, but this is all I can think. Nothing else came in the box. Just getting pushed further in. Wait. I got a better idea, actually. What if I put the bushing on here? Just like that. Alright, one moment. I'm going to go find that thing that fell off. Popped off in it somewhere. I can still use the stock one, so I'll just go with that. Because I unscrewed it too much. Yep, everything's fine. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, okay. Unscrewed it too much, so the little screw friend that this is supposed to go into popped out, and I don't know where it went. It's gone. I don't want to like jam it on because then I'm gonna like ruin the little the thing. I fucking can't without. There we go. Okay, that's pretty easy. All right, new approach because I can't just jam it in there or else it starts not having fun. I just had you on here. All right, it's on there, but now I want to slide it on this. Yeah, fucking makes it so much easier without gloves on. Don't fall off. You fell off, didn't you? Got it on. It's victory. I forgot to put this shit on. Oh, God. No. I'm making the same damn mistake again. Put this shit on first. Don't buy Leo. Fuck Leo. Okay, we're fucking done. All right, next part. Woo! All right, we're coming over here now, sliding the exhaust on. It looks like it just slides on and a little bolt goes through here. The exhaust can't even fit with the stock blinkers on. This is stupid as hell. Well, I'm gonna take off this blinker. So, this sucks balls. As you can see, it's on, and as you can also see, blinker's no longer there. You can't have the blinker on with the... Look, it doesn't fucking fit. That's kind of stupid. Don't buy Leo, buy Arrow. How about that? So I have it on finally, and now I'm just tightening this. There was there's a nut that goes back there, and now it's a pain in the ass. Everything about this was a pain in the ass. All right, so this is tightened, sicko mode. This needs to get tightened up now as well. I loosened the header just to try to see if it would make things easier. Really didn't. Yeah, because I could only loosen one of them, and the other one, I could just not get a fucking wrench to it. Also, make sure you don't lose your piece of this that comes in with the exhaust, because I lost mine, so now I have to use the stock one. That's on. That's on. That's on. And now we use this little... Camera's gonna die soon. Rushing. Now we use this little hook that Leo provides, and it goes to the spring down yonder. All right here, there's a spring, and it just comes up. There it is. Ooh, that's some work. The bitch is done. All right, I'm gonna tighten up this thing that the instruction manual told me to. And then, yeah, I guess I'll just wait for the camera to die and go get a new battery. No, I'd go through 2 batteries, or a battery at least. It just took way longer than it fucking should have. Like, there's no wonder there's no videos on how to put this exhaust on this bike, because it's a pain in the ass. I'm gonna figure out a way to wipe down the exhaust so that way fingerprints and whatever don't get on it. Heat shield and gobbledygook on it. You guys know how to do that. It's the same as taking it off. You just do that. Back here, yep, had to take blinker off. It'd be weird to have one blinker, so I'm gonna take the other blinker off. No blinkers in the back, because that's just how life goes, I suppose. All right, I'll get that taken care of, and then y'all see. It turned on later. Okay, sick. So here is the exhaust. Ooh, look how old, look how big it is, disgusting. And here is the new exhaust. Ooh, sleek and black and pretty, so nice. Well, the turn signals used to be right here, but they wouldn't fit with this exhaust on, so now they're in a box. So now I don't have any turn signals. And this exhaust was such a pain in the ass to put on. I've never had that much trouble working on something. This was definitely such an afterthought. They did not know what they were doing when they designed this. Anyways, it's on now. Oh, you want to hear it? That's what you guys. Oh, okay. Let me just do that. Okay, so it's very loud. I like that.